I made shrimp cocktail, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I made shrimp cocktail. I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see how I make it, and a lot of you guys said yes, so here I am today showing you how I make it, and it looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. So I wanted to let you guys know that my boyfriend, aka fiance, showed me how to make shrimp cocktail. He's gonna kill me if I don't disclose that he's the one that showed me how to make it. It's really easy to make. The only bad thing is that it's time consuming, so if you do have someone that can help you chop up the veggies while you're doing something else, that would be very helpful. But I mean, it takes about an hour, hour and a half, depending how fast you chop. But it's super easy. So if you would like to see how I make shrimp cocktail, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have a bottle of Clamato. This is, how many ounces is this? This is 64 ounces, but I already have a little bit from last time. So I'm just gonna use the rest of this and about half of this Clamato. And I have 1 pound of cooked peeled shrimp. And I have 2 pounds of imitation crab, which I already shredded. So while I'm chopping all this, I'm gonna have this marinate in the Clamato. So I have 6 tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, 4 lemons, half an onion, 2 jalapenos, and some cilantro and 2 avocados. So while that's marinating, I'm gonna chop this up and I will be right back. So I already have the Clamato, the shrimp, and the imitation crab all in here. And now I'm just gonna add all my chopped veggies. And I'm just gonna mix everything together. So I already cut 4 limes, but if you need more, you can always add more. But make sure to try it just to see how it tastes, and then you can, you know, tell if it needs more or not. Shrimp cocktail is such a good meal, especially in the heat. I'm like dying right now. Just by chopping everything and all this, I'm sweating. So after you put the lemon, you just want to mix it up. So it should look something like this. Oh my god, I'm gonna spill everything. And I like to let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour just so everything marinates together. And then at the end, I'll just add some avocado. And if it needs more lemon, I'll put some more, lime actually. I'll put some more lime. I like to eat it with some tostadas. I like the Guerrero, the baked tostadas. These are 150 calories for 3 tostadas. So this is pretty healthy, I want to say. And then my favorite hot sauce to eat it with, it's habanero sauce. This one is delicious. I go through these like crazy. I like to put it on my tuna salad, chicken salad, and my cocktail. So yeah, it's the El Yucateco habanero sauce. This one is bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to make more cooking tutorials. Cooking videos for you guys, because I do love to cook. If you guys didn't know that about me, I actually wanted to go to the Art Institute after I graduated from high school, but I decided to do something else. But I do have a passion for cooking as well. So hopefully you guys like this video. Bye guys.